Hello friends, welcome back to my new video in my YouTube channel. Today video title is guide aeroplane mode option how to enable in Oppo phones. Guys, you want to enable your aeroplane mode in your Oppo phone, so how can you enable and how can you use guys your aeroplane mode setting in your Oppo phone? In this video guys we are going to talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all you can subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So friends, now time to start video friends. We will on our phone setting to enable airplane mode option. Then guys scroll it, connection and sharing option, click here. As you can see guys your airplane mode setting. As you want to enable guys, you can enable from this right side, and guys you can enable on your screen also. Guys swipe and guys you can see airplane mode setting. But guys you don't have guys this setting on your screen, so you can enable from your phone setting. So after enable guys, you cannot use guys your mobile network setting guys. You cannot use guys your call setting guys, because guys airplane mode is enabled. So after enable guys, you can use guys your offline games, like you have your download games, songs, like any movies you can watch. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.